Hello everybody, this is another Hot Wheels collector video, and today I've got another brand new casting for 2025's mainline for you guys. This one is a great one. Take a look at this, the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33. This thing has been done in a really nice metallic silver colour. It is rolling on these star-styled 5-spoke wheels which have been painted in chrome. This thing does have a little bit of side tamper work. We've got the Hot Wheels logo there in white, and that's literally it. In terms of the metal casting, we do have wing mirrors on this thing. I'd also like to mention that this car's side skirt portion has been created by the black interior plastic. Speaking of around the interior portion, you can see this thing's window plastic has been created by see-through plastic, obviously, but it does have a bit of tint to it, which looks really good. You can also see this car's side windows are completely wound up. Onto the front then, we do have some tamper work here. Looks great. We've got the headlights here. We've also got the Gordon Murray Automotive logo there as well, tampered. You can also see this car's main front grille in the plastic there, engraved very nicely. It does lead through to the black interior plastic, very nicely modelled there. And you can also see this car's front bumper has been created by the greyish silver base plastic. Moving on to the next side of this thing then, it's the same as the previous side, but there is no Hot Wheels logo on this thing, or at least on my model there isn't. Very strange, there's only a Hot Wheels logo on this side, which is very bizarre. Maybe that is an error on my version, I'm not really sure. Very strange to see, but it's there on mine. As I say, it's the same as the previous side though, so onto the rear. We've got more tamper work here. You can see this car's rear lights tampered on there very nicely. We've got the T33 badging there in yellow, and we've also got a nice license plate on this thing as well, which does read Gordon Murray Automotive, as well as the Gordon Murray Automotive logo done in white. Pretty much all of the rear of this car is created by black interior plastic, and in that we've got loads of vents, as you can see there, as well as the dual exit exhaust pipe of this car. Looks really cool. That's it for the rear, so on to the top. You can see this car's active aero spoiler there in the metal casting. On this model it is actually down, but obviously as this car goes faster in real life it does pop up. Very cool to see that modelled in the metal casting there. You can also see this thing does have some little vents on the rear window of this car. That is created by the black interior plastic of this car, I'm pretty sure. You can also see the engine in there created by the black interior plastic as well. Hopefully you can see that there. Very nicely modelled, really cool to see. This thing does actually have a roof scoop created by the metal casting of this thing. It is also engraved into the plastic, which creates the roof portion of this car. The roof of this car is created by a textured portion of the window plastic, so you can't see through the roof, but it is still plastic, and see-through plastic technically as well, which is really cool. Really cool design feature from Hot Wheels. This car's left-hand drive, as you can see there. We do have windshield wipers, or a windshield wiper I should say, on this car, which is really good to see. Makes this thing look a lot more realistic. And yeah, that is really it. I mean, we do have a little bulge in the hood, or frunk I should really say, portion of this car as well, which is accurate to the real life thing. But as I say, that's really it for this one. Really cool model. Very simple. The tamper works simple, very factory fresh. Does the job very well. Looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. It's a car I didn't know about before Hot Wheels made it as a casting, but now it's really cool to see. I've done a bit of research into this thing, and it's just a really cool car. I'd highly recommend researching this car for yourself and looking into it, because it's just a really cool one. And I think the Hot Wheels team have modelled this thing fantastically. It looks really accurate to the real life car, as I say. But let me know what you guys think of this casting in the comments section down below. Do you guys like it? Do you dislike it? I want to hear all of that in the comments. All your comments are really appreciated. What would also be really appreciated is if you like and comment. As I say, I do appreciate your comments. And also if you could subscribe if you are new. All of that will be massively appreciated. But yeah, that's really it for this video, so thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye everyone, take care.